Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering the Nest Hub and getting your phone ready. Open the Google Home app and sign into the same Google account used on the Hub. This links devices and settings. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone so the app can discover the Hub automatically. Keep the new device plugged in and within a few feet. Once done, tap Add in the app to start pairing. This initiates the local setup handshake between your phone and the Hub. Once the app finds the Hub, you'll follow explicit pairing prompts. Select Add then Setup Device and choose New Device, picking the correct home location to place it. If the screen shows a QR code or 4-digit code, scan or enter it to verify. Listen for the Hub's audio confirmation tone to ensure secure pairing. Then choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password so the Hub can access cloud services. Finally, assign a room and a clear name to enable reliable voice commands. Finish by configuring voice match and privacy options. These improve personalized results and control. Link services you use, like music or smart lights, so the Hub can act immediately. Test simple commands, ask for the time, play music, or control a smart bulb to verify functionality. Make sure the Hub finishes any firmware updates before intensive use. If something goes wrong, restart the Hub and your phone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and retry pairing within a minute or two. That clears most transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.